video is Dubai, Burikat in Dubai. Guys, first of all, please subscribe my YouTube channel and please like and share. And this is Ate. Oh, wallah, I
This
swear.
is Tata.
Our vlog today is nothing.
It's nothing.
Just for nothing.
Just nothing. Just
Wala
nothing,
pa tao.
nothing. Who will watch our vlog, please subscribe now because this is a first time.
First time.
Ah.
First time.
Hmm?
Yeah, first
Yeah.
time.
So, ang gagawin namin dito is magtatanong ako sa kanya anong years na siya dito sa Dubai because for me daw, ano yon? Hindi ko alam yun. Me, I'm 2 years here, but she
I'm
is,
7 years.
okay, in the 7 years, what you work here? And first, come in Dubai.
Housemaid.
Okay?
Nani?
Okay?
Ay, ang ganda.
Ketera.
Ang ganda na ni Wata.
And in the second contract,
Housemaid. Again, caregiver in the
ano
Abu
yan?
Dhabi.
Question for today. And the
And the
third,
last one is cleaners. You know.
oh, so, what's
Hard work.
okay, what is your difficult work in
No,
Dubai?
my first job,
ano
The
yun?
difficult
My
work in
first
Dubai
job in
is a
Dubai to
cleaner.
become pokpok. Second time, to be pokpok again. Third time, and the last time,
Pokpok
di
again. You know that the hard work in Dubai is cleaning.
Cleaning. So,
Yeah, that's the best
Cleaners.
hard work in Dubai.
okay, so, if you clean in one house, how many hours you finish your work?
Depends on the client.
So, what kind of depends of your clients?
Because
Like,
sometimes the client booking like 4 hours, 8 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours.
oh, so you means if you're 8 hours in your one employer, so you're supposed to be is finish your
Yeah,
Your
you
hours.
start 2 to 8 like that.
oh, it's hard for that. So, if you want to go in Dubai, please come in Dubai and subscribe our channel.
Watching, where's no watching? Zero balance.
I-post nga natin.